welcome back to my channel. When we were looking for pet-friendly resorts around Batangas, we came across Stilts Calatagan Beach Resort. From their website, we were attracted by the floating cottages and the resort's amenities. After finding out the whole resort is pet-friendly apart from the swimming pool, we immediately booked a 2-night stay in one of their floating cottages. We booked 4 months in advance, so we thought that there would still be a lot of available cottages left, but it turned out that there was only 1 cottage left when we were booking. Apparently, the floating cottages are very popular here at Stilts. We were lucky the 𝗖𝗍cie Cottages was still available. The 𝗖𝗍cie Cottage is one of the smallest cottages they have. It's the cottage closest to the shore and the restaurant. The other small cottage is the Dream Cottage. There is 1 medium cottage, Blessings, and the 5 large cottages are Peace, Inspiration, Happiness, Love, and Beauty. The place was really beautiful and refreshing. We also felt safe here as there was always a garden near the cottages. There's a living area when you enter the 𝗖𝗍cie Cottage. It has 2 floors and it can accommodate up to 10 guests. There's also a 4-seater dining table and a kitchenette with a fridge, sink, and a complimentary water dispenser. There's also a couple of cupboards and storage spaces for your snacks and things. The air condition is really strong in this cottage. Overall, the cottage is really clean and well maintained. The 𝗖𝗍cie Cottage has 2 bedrooms. There's 1 bedroom in the loft with 4 beds. It's really spacious and has a window that overlooks downstairs. Downstairs you can find the main master bedroom that opens up to the patio. It has a desk, plenty of storage spaces, and 2 beds, 1 single and 1 double. The separate toilet and shower rooms are also located here, which is quite awkward as people upstairs would need to access the master bedroom first before going to the toilet or shower room. This room has the best view of the beach, especially in the mornings and during the sunset. Overall, I rate the 𝗖𝗍cie Cottage a 5 out of 5 stars. Everything about the place makes you feel relaxed, and that was one of the reasons why we wanted to stay here. Apart from being pet-friendly, the cottage is very well maintained, clean, unique, spacious, and comfortable. The cottage and our experience in this resort was worth the price. We can't wait to come back here again.